What's important on the streets is safety, being able to be seen for the public to see us coming, knowing that they're safe now, and also the safety of the officer, being inside of a patrol vehicle, knowing that I'm in a pursuit somewhere. I need the public to see me, and the lights are amazing. They're bright. They're bright enough to get the attention. The sirens are loud. The Q Serial modules are my favorite. They're easy to install. I have a power ground and 2 serial data wires, and I can route the whole install with just those 4 wires. All I have to do is keep them daisy chained together, and it's a quick install. And they're very easy to program. I have my magnet, I zone them, and they're done. There's no configuration of plugging into anything. I plug into one module, which is a Q-Link converter. And when I install the Q-Link converter, I program into that, I tell it zones, and it's done.